Imagine a platform with over 85 million people logging in every day. A place where you can play games, build virtual worlds, attend concerts, buy digital clothes, and even start a business, all without leaving your screen. It partners with Netflix, Gucci, and Nike. It's hosted virtual events with superstars, created new age entrepreneurs out of teenagers, and processed billions of dollars in virtual spending. You'd assume it's wildly profitable, right? But here's the kicker. Despite making $3.6 billion in revenue in 2025, Roblox still isn't profitable. In fact, it lost nearly $1 billion last year. So, what's going on? Let's uncover why one of the biggest platforms on the planet is still in the red, and why that might be exactly what it wants. First, let's get one thing straight. Roblox isn't a game. It's a platform. It's like YouTube, but instead of uploading videos, users create entire interactive 3D experiences. Some are teenagers, some are game studios, some started as one and became the other. Roblox handles the tech, the game engine, the servers, the payment systems, the distribution. And the currency? That's Robux, which fuels the entire economy. Developers build, players spend. Roblox takes a cut. In theory, it's brilliant. In practice, it's incredibly expensive. In 2025, Roblox's operating costs ballooned past $4.5 billion. Around $920 million was paid out to creators. But that's just the beginning. Roblox spends heavily on massive cloud infrastructure global expansion, research and development moderation and trust systems. And the big one, user safety. Because most Roblox users are under 18, the company is under constant pressure to police content. In 2025, Roblox was hit with investigations from US and UK regulators. And in April, the Florida Attorney General issued a subpoena over child safety concerns. To stay ahead, Roblox employs thousands of moderators, invests in AI filtering systems, and constantly updates its safety tech. But all of this adds up fast. And then there's Robux, the currency at the heart of Roblox's economy. Players buy Robux. Developers earn Robux. But to cash out, they need to hit thresholds, and the exchange rate hasn't changed in years. 100,000 Robux. 350s. That rate favors Roblox, not developers, and it's one of the reasons creators demand more compensation. Roblox must walk a thin line. Keep creators happy, without blowing up its already razor-thin margins. In early 2025, Roblox tried to dodge Apple's 30% fee by offering bonus Robux to users who buy through the website instead of the iOS app. Clever? Yes. Cheap? Not at all. Meanwhile, Roblox is going global, fast. Its fastest-growing markets in 2025 include India, Japan, and Brazil. That's great for long-term scale, but it brings short-term chaos. New languages, payment systems, legal, rules, and cultural norms. It's a heavy lift, and an expensive one. At the same time, Roblox users are getting older. Over 60% are now over 13, which is good. Older users tend to spend more. But it means the platform has to evolve. It's not just for kids anymore. It now needs to support deeper stories, more complex gameplay, and mature content moderation. And the company's ambitions? They're massive. In 2025 alone, Roblox, launched on PlayStation, expanded into VR via MetaQuest, entered classrooms with STEM-based learning games, introduced 3D ads with brands like Nike and Paramount, even started selling physical merchandise tied to digital items. It wants to be more than a game platform. It wants to be the future of digital presence, a place where you hang out, build, shop, learn, and socialize. But here's the catch. Roblox isn't the only one racing toward that future. Epic Games rolled out the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, letting users build inside Fortnite and keep 40% of the revenue. Meta is pushing hard with Horizon Worlds. YouTube, TikTok, and Minecraft are investing in their own versions of interactive, creator-driven content. Roblox may have been first, but it's now in a war for attention, creators, and ad dollars. So here's the big question. Why isn't Roblox profitable in 2025? Because it doesn't want to be. Not yet. Profitability means slowing down, cutting creator payouts, freezing expansion, shrinking risk. Roblox is doing the opposite. It's investing aggressively in creators, in tools, in global growth, in partnerships, in new technology. It's trying to build the foundation for something much bigger, a true digital ecosystem, not just a game platform. This isn't failure, it's strategy. It's Amazon in 2002, YouTube in 2009, Meta in 2012. Roblox is still building. And the cost of building the future? It's high. But the payoff, if it works, could be massive. If you want more deep dives into the strange economics of the digital world, subscribe to Profit Anomaly. Because in this game, money doesn't always play by the rules.